AutoDS versus Dropship.io. Which dropshipping tool is better for your business? Let's break it down. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's start with AutoDS. This platform is built to automate the entire dropshipping process from product research and importing to order fulfillment and price monitoring. It also integrates with multiple marketplaces like eBay, Shopify, and Facebook Marketplace. Now, Dropship.io focuses more on product research and validation. Its core strength is helping you find winning products with real-time analytics, competitor tracking, and sales data insights. Let's hop on to the features. AutoDS is an all-one solution covering research fulfillment and automation. Dropship.io specializes in deep market research and product validation. Second is learning curve. AutoDS has more setups, but offers full automation once configured. Dropship.io is easier for beginners who only need research insights. Third is customization. AutoDS lets you automate pricing rules, fulfillment preferences, and supplier section. Dropship.io mainly customizes research filters and dashboards. For its audience, AutoDS is ideal for established dropshippers running multiple stores. Dropship.io suits new sellers or those focusing only on product discovery. For its value, AutoDS costs more but saves time with cost automation, and Dropship.io is more affordable and lean if you just need product intelligence. The verdict is, if you want complete automation, go with AutoDS. If you're more focused on finding winning products, Dropship.io is the smarter pick. Now, you can choose the right dropshipping tool for your workflow. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.